Welcome back to Auctionprotemplates.com. My name's Ali Baba, and in this tutorial I want to go over the custom page. Now, the custom page is generally where these links go to. It's things like the privacy, the policy, the about us, the contact us, the shipping, any sort of information that you want to tell your customers about. These are the sort of things you put in these custom pages, okay? They're similar to pages that you have on your website. It's just allowing someone to know more about who you are on eBay and what you sort of do. It's entirely up to you what you put on there, and it's entirely up to you what you call them, okay? I'm just going to show you the process of how to do it. So back to our good old friend Notepad++, and this time we're going to want page.html. For now, I'm just simply going to copy all this code because I want to put it on there just so you can see where it goes and what happens and what it looks like, okay? So I'm going to scroll down and choose Seller Manage Store, or in your case it might say Shop if you're in England. And then I'm going to scroll down to Custom Pages, and we're going to create like we did with the home page, if you remember. Just going to create a new category, a new page, sorry, one text section.html. And in here, this is the part that you have to name correctly because this is what people will view. So for this, I'm going to call this About Us, okay? And I'm just going to paste in the code into here. This is just to get us rolling so we can see how it comes out. Now remember what we wrote here, About Us, because we're going to need that in a minute. Yes, I want to show left navigation, and I want to save and publish. So as you can see here, it is About Us. Now, if in your display settings, under your left navigation bar settings, if you have store pages selected, okay, then all you need to do now is go to your store. I'm just going to open that up in a new tab. And underneath your categories, you'll now notice that you have the About Us, okay? So you can just click on that, and that will take you to the About Us. If you don't have that on, and you don't wish to have it on, then the URL is the name that you called it. But in between the spaces, like we wrote about space us, in between the spaces will be a hyphen, and it will end with .html. So that's how you can find a direct URL to it. So this is the About Us. This is the actual custom page. You'll notice it keeps the same header, keeps the same left navigation, and it keeps the same footer. Might want to get rid of one of these boxes. It's a bit long, but that's entirely up to you on how much information. Now, with this section, we just supply some basic stuff, and I'm going to show you what we got. We got basically an H1 with text, and we got an H2, okay, with text. This information you can add yourself, and you can add HTML elements. You can add all sorts to it if needs be. Inside of the code, if we come and have a look, you'll notice we have H1. So this is the main header title. Then you got your text, and then you've got H2, and then you got your text, okay, and then you got some more text. Again, inside of this div called cPage content, okay, you can add any HTML that you want, okay. We got breaks here. You can have bold, italic, underline. You can have lists. You can have all sorts of stuff. I believe already if we do a UL and then we do a Lee, and if we just do test Lee bullets, I believe already I've coded so that you can just add Lees and it will automatically be formatted, but we'll be able to find out now, and if it's not, then I can just do that, and by the time you watch this tutorial it will be. I'm going to save that again. I've made some edits to this page.html, which means now anytime I make an edit to the HTML, I need to re-upload it to eBay. I'm going to come back to manage my store, custom pages, come down to the About Us and choose edit, and then I'm just going to scroll down, delete that, paste in my new code and choose continue, and then I'm going to choose save and publish. And now when I refresh, I just want to see if the Lees are actually formatted. They should have like bullet points and stuff like that. And you'll notice here, this is your Lee bullets, okay? So you can use a Lee format and things like that. So that's how you create your custom page. Now, if you're looking for advanced customization inside of here, please let us know. We do have services available that can help you with that sort of stuff. But if you feel free in giving this a try yourself and letting us know how you get on. So that's how you customize the last part of your store. Over the next couple of tutorials, we're going to be explaining how to change some stuff, like how you can change some of this blue to be another color. Anyway, I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.